I want that you imagine that you have a square. Yes, imagine that you have a square. But you don't know what is the side of the square. You just know that the area of the square is 2,500 square meters. How could you find this side of the square? What is the operation we need to know to find the area of the square? We're going to see in this video about roots. Okay, so we're going to see how to solve this situation using a new operation that is a root, and we're going to understand what's the meaning of a root and how you can use it to solve problems. So as you can understand, we have this square and we want to find out the side of the square if we have the area. In this case, the area of the square is calculated by using x to the second power. So the question that you need to answer is, what is the number I need to raise to the second power to provide 2,500 square meters? Okay, so you need to start thinking of how you can get a number multiplied by itself and get 2,500. So we're going to check with some numbers just for fun. Maybe you know the answer already, but just for fun, let's say that I'm thinking that the number is 20. So 20 to the second power is going to give me 400. So no, 20 to the second power cannot be this number. Let's say that I'm going to try now 100 to the second power. 100 to the second power is going to be 10,000. So no, this number is not the value. So I'm going to test with another number to see. Let's say that I'm going to search using 50 to the second power. It will be 50 times 50. It will be 2,500. So the number that I need to raise to the second power to get 2,500 is 50. But the question is, how could you find it, or what could be the operation I need to apply to find out that the number I need to raise to the second power is 2,500? This operation is what we call a root, okay? So the root is only the inverse operation of raising a number to a power, okay? So how you notate the square root, in this case will be square because we have to find out the number raised to the second power. So the square root will be, the notation is using this symbol that we call the radical symbol, and we're going to put it inside the number that in this case will be the radicand to have our root. In this case will be x, or now we know that the square root of 2,500 square meters will be 50 meters. And this is why it's important to know about roots, because the root is a new operation, a new operator that is going to help you to know what is the number that you're raising. And maybe you're asking yourself, hey, but what happens if you raise to the third power? So it will be a cubic root. Okay, so in this case, let's say that you don't have a square but you have a cube. Okay, I'm going to do like a very imaginary cube because I want to do it quickly. And let's say that the cube is going to be 27 cubic meters, and you want to know the edge of the cube. So you will think that it will be a to the third power equals 27 cubic meters, and in this case the operation you need to apply is calling the cubic root, because it's finding the number that you raise to the third power to get 27. Okay? Now I'm going to give you time for you to think and tell me in the comment section, what is this number? What is the number I need to multiply by itself 3 times to get 27? Okay? I'm waiting for your comments. I hope that you like this video, that you understand the relation between roots and powering, and that now you know why we need to know about roots in our environment. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye bye.